CMB-S4, one of the major experimental projects that US had started since 2013, and this was for cosmic microwave background. Now this was a project to understand the evidence of cosmic inflation, specifically pertaining to Big Bang's afterglow, and this project was with an estimated cost of $900 million in support with US Department of Energy and National Science Foundation. However, this project is no more into action, and it is believed that US would fall behind two leading projects in this race, and that is the Lightbird by Japan and the next one is LECPT by China. Now both of these are actually the space-based programs. Japan is focusing on understanding the being in the space by avoiding the Earth's atmospheric interference. China is working on observations from Tibetan Plateau, and the first phase of this project is already completed. Now if we talk about the CMB-S4, this project of United States was started with an idea of NSF, that is the National Science Foundation, talking about a capital budget for US to start up these facilities in Antarctic region. However, later on, there were physicists working towards a scientific vision. There was a astrodecadal survey and a practical physics project prioritization panel that was established, and then the conditions were identified in South Pole Antarctic. However, it was found that this region would not be a viable region due to insufficient power, housing and sinking buildings, and as a result the site was shifted to Chile. Now this was again cited with one of the reasons that the project in Antarctica would cost nearly double that of in Chile, and therefore Chile could be a good alternative. However, recently it has been announced that this project can no longer be supported and would be outperformed immediately. Now this would be a huge blow to the scientific advancement community in United States, because this cancellation would be a huge loss to the scientific thinking. Now the two major reasons that have been cited for this immediate cancellation of the project is because one is the insufficient power conditions, housing conditions and sinking buildings in the regions of Antarctica. Also the second reason is the federal budgetary constraints which have been cited by National Science Foundation and United States Department of Energy for any new projects, and the only thing that can proceed forward with the fixed cost is the backlog of the other projects and the mandated activities that are needed. So withdrawal of any funding which is going into research, even from a top priority endeavor, would be immediately seized under this ruling. So that was for it. Very important project, but this could be a highly important question for your upcoming examination. We'll be covering many such important topics for you. Stay tuned. Thanks for joining.